Welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite YouTuber Browser back with another Clash Royale video. It's been already 3 to 4 days since I've posted my last video, guys. I'm sorry for that. In our today's video, we could be trying to push trophies up to 5000 or at least win in a few matches. Okay, he's a king 9. That might be easy because these low level king towers always have a complete attacking deck. Okay, it's a musketeer, a hunter. Easy up with that royal hawk deck. That royal hawk deck is too famous on the meta. Yeah, guys, we got a good royal delivery over there. Okay, he has a P.E.K.K.A. So let's get in with the Inferno Tower. Our magic archer gets few hits onto the tower and the P.E.K.K.A. won't even connect. This was too good, guys. Great defense out from our side. Let's hold on for some elixir. Let us go with the ice golem on the bridge along with the balloon. Okay, we get fireball value over there. This was good. Yeah, guys, the balloon connected. One hit onto the tower from the balloon. We get our royal delivery over there to distract everything off. We get the pushback. The Valkyrie gets only one hit. The musketeer gets distracted. 2169 to 454. That might be easy, guys, but we need to wait till double elixir because his deck might be more effective in the double elixir because he has a P.E.K.K.A. He might make up a solid push from the P.E.K.K.A. on the behind. See, guys, as I said we got a P.E.K.K.A. on the back. Let's go with the magic archer and the Inferno Tower to tank up for the P.E.K.K.A. Oh, guys, this is not in our way. Just get that Mega Knight out. Super easy. Let's go on the balloon on with the other side. He has to stop. He can stop only one. That was a good hunter over there. We'll give him a well played. Now the tower is within the fireball range, guys. We can get the tower with the fireball now. Let's get the royal delivery over there. That was a good royal delivery on from our side. Let's wait till the end of the match. We need to pile up elixir. 17 seconds left. Let's get him first with the ice golem and then fireball. GG, good game. We have got this one, guys. 3 seconds to left. Yeah, guys, we won this. This was super easy out from our side. This is how complete defense works. We won against a person with the P.E.K.K.A. and the Mega Knight, guys. I've completed a mission. Zappies, I don't use them much. Still, let's push up. We are at 4839. Okay, guys, that guy almost has 20 trophies more than me. An executioner, a level 9 executioner and bats. Seriously, is this guy kidding me or? Okay, guys, executioner does not connect to the tower. The ice golem to tank for the magic archer and the fireball to get that wizard out. We need to just use our Inferno Tower as we have already sucked up our ice golem, or else the ice golem might be a good counter to that Valkyrie. Still, we are ahead in damage with a 2-minute time left. He has executioner, bats, wizard, Valkyrie and giant skeleton. I'll get that giant skeleton on with my barbarians. Okay, the executioner gets distracted over there. We have to pile up how much power we can for in just short periods of time, even before that executioner lands up. Oh, guys, we are gonna lose this, guys. This match is too difficult. His deck, he has both prince and a giant skeleton, guys. The prince gets hefty damage onto our tower, the executioner. The prince also tanks for the executioner. We have almost lost one tower, guys. That's a lot of damage out there. Fireball, we need to save. Okay, guys, this time we are not gonna get into his trick. I'm gonna save up my barbarians for that. Let's see, can we defend this? Okay, guys, this is gonna be my last push. Hope that wizard gets the damage. Yeah, guys, the wizard is dead, but our balloon didn't connect on to the tower. That is bad for us. Let's get the royal delivery. Oh, guys, those bats, guys, those bats just piled up the damage and paved way for the electro dragon to come in. This match is getting too difficult, guys. Let's go with the balloon. Can the balloon get a hit? No, guys, those bats saved it again. Just fireball that. This deck is too good, guys. The player is also, he also has a habit of playing with his deck, guys, so he can get a win. Still, we are gonna try our level best. If we get the balloon bomb onto the tower, guys, we have a chance of winning. We have to defend this, guys. This match is getting clumsier, and we get the win, guys. This was a super cool match. GG, good game, well played, and we completed the match. We won it. This was huge, guys. I just thought that I lost the match, but still we win that. I get an X-bow. So, guys, this was one of the toughest matches of my life. I am at 4870, guys. 2 wins in a row. That is super cool, guys. Okay, he's a king 11. Let's give him good luck. Let's just log on that. Oh, I missed one. I even have to take care of that minion herd. Oof, these over leveled people. Yeah, guys, I just used my royal delivery to stop that battle ram out there. I'll use the ice golem to tank up for the magic archer. The magic archer gets damage onto that baby dragon. Let's get this off, guys. I used my barbarians, or else that might be massive damage on the left hand side tower, guys. But I still cannot defend against that minion herd. Let's go with a fireball out there. He is getting the minion herd value every time, guys. Still, that was huge damage on the left side, guys. The barbarians did a huge damage onto the left side. Oh, guys, he has the hog. This is not what we wanted, guys. We just, oh, guys, I forgot. I used my log over there, guys. Shit. I even have to use my barbarians for stopping that battle ram. Let's get on with the ice golem. The ice golem tanks for the goblin barrel to die. Oh, guys, now I have to make in my inferno tower to come in use. He also has a Valkyrie, guys, I need something to stop this, guys. He has a good deck. Let's see, can we stop this? Let's go with the balloon. I have 3 elixir, 4 elixir. Yeah, guys, I think I can get them. The balloon bomb connects over there. Still, we have to tank this side tower. Okay, a goblin barrel. Well played. I also have to use in my inferno tower, guys. Only 10 seconds left. Oh, guys, he also has a rocket, guys. That rocket just ruined whole of the match, guys. That rocket just ruined up everything. That was not what we wanted, guys. Still, let's hop into another match. What? A princess onto the bridge? Okay, is he playing a log bait or something? It is the log cycle over there. So yeah, guys, I already said that was a log bait. We need to defend against pushes. This is gonna be a real match. I don't have my login cycle. I had to use the fireball, guys. Let's log the princess out. Guys, this is gonna be too tough for us. And if we have some other cards with the along the long bait, that would be very tricky, like the Hog Rider or the Mega Knight Mini P.E.K.K.A, something like that. The log bait is one of the finest decks on the ladder, guys. 1 2. I also used to play with the log bait for some time, guys. I know how it works. Still, I need to be simple. I spared my log because I wanted to make a push with the balloon. Guys, he also has the Inferno Tower. This is not good, guys. What? He used his princess over there, but for why? That was an unwanted princess on there. Let us log everything out here and go with another balloon push onto the right side, guys. Let's see, can we do something? I know he's gonna go up with the Inferno Tower, so I had my balloon ice golem there. This is good. Can we connect out there? We need to make some bear connection, guys. This was good. We got one tower onto that side. 24 seconds left. We just have to stop. Oh, guys, he also has a rocket. Let's see, guys. We have to push in onto the other side. Guys, they got the connection out there. Still, my balloon is going to connect on this side. This is cool. Let's see, can we make up something out there? 1200, just 1200 damage left over there. We know he has an Inferno Tower, so we need to make something to stop that Inferno Tower. Let's get with our Inferno Tower on there. Let's see, can we do something? Our balloon connected, guys. This is GG, good game, and we won against the log bait, guys. This is what I wanted to show. We won against the log bait. So, guys, this deck is just incredibly too good, guys. I suggest playing this. And remember, this guy also had a rocket. This was a rocket log bait, guys. Okay, another king 10. Let's give him a good luck and hop in with the balloon. He has a level 11 wizard. Oh shit, guys. We have to use our magic archer out there. Our balloon gets no connection. That our magic archer also died, and we couldn't even stop the minion herd. This is too bad, guys. Let's just pile up some elixir. Now we know that he has his minion herd, a magic archer, a wizard, and a knight. Does he has some big tanks? Okay guys, he has a mega knight. We can stop that mega knight by using our inferno tower. We have already cycled back to the balloon. I'm gonna make some big push out to the right side, or I'll go with the left side because my right side tower has bit less damage, has a bit of damage. So let's go in with the left side out there. We get the balloon dead damage. No, we don't, but still that was good. We got him to this side. Let's go with a royal delivery and a ice golem out there. I positioned the ice golem so that the magic archer doesn't get the first hits. We shot 3 hits, but only one connected to the tower. That was what went in our favor. Let's go in with another balloon push, guys. First we have to defend that, so I'll use my inferno tower. Our inferno tower gets huge value out there, guys, but unfortunately, so royal delivery out here, ice golem here. Guys, this deck is too good which we are playing against. That player played well. GG, good game, guys, but we cannot win this, at least now, guys. Only 7 damage. He also has a log. If he wouldn't have the log, I might have took up some risks of winning the game, but he will just log that other tower. See guys, as I have already said you, and we lost the game. GG, well played. Still guys, we're gonna try in some hard and push at least to 4900, guys. Tomorrow I'll come up with another video in which we'll be playing at Master League, guys. So a king 10. Let's go with the basic strategy of balloon and magic archer. Let's show him we have a attacking deck. Oh, level 8 bats. I have to gather elixir. That ram rider out there connects, which was not in our favor, guys. Still there's a okay, let's royal delivery. Oh, I wasted my royal delivery, guys. Okay, I have to make in some. Okay guys, this was not good, guys. He has a sparky. The royal delivery values adds out when your opponent has a sparky, because the sparky might be too good. The royal delivery might be used in many ways against the sparky. So let's get with an ice golem out there. No guys, this is not good. At least our inferno tower might have taken one hit from that. Okay guys, the sparky connected, 600 damage left. Let's see what he used to counter my balloon. Okay guys, he had a ram rider and bats. He used his bats. Let's go with barbarians and balloon. Let's see. So he ram rider that again. That Ram Rider makes connection. Our balloon connects to the tower. One tower gone, guys. We are in lead. Our tower is still left with 4 HP, guys. So he has to use something onto the for getting this tower, guys. This was good. Okay, so let's see. He has a lot of good cards for attacking, guys. Let's go in with the balloon. He has the bats, as I said already. Let's stop the Ram Rider over there. We need to stop that Sparky out there. What? That Sparky devastated all of the 5 barbarians in one shot, guys. This was not good, guys. We have to do something. The other Sparky gets destroyed. Oh, it doesn't. It was good that I used my Ice Golem for tanking that. Let's go in with the Inferno Tower. I cannot afford any damage onto my tower at this time, at least. I'll go in with Balloon. He doesn't have his Ram Rider. Let's go in with the Fireball, guys. No, guys, this is not good, guys. We lost yet another game, guys. Still, GG, well played. We need to push up some trophies, guys. This was not what we wanted. Let's hop into another last match of the evening, guys, I think. So, a miner, we can ignore that. That miner won't take more than 400 damage out there. Yeah, guys, as I've already said, that miner did around 400 damage. He wasted his tornado over there, guys. That was not a worthy tornado. Okay, guys, he doesn't have elixir, so we are going in with our balloon, guys. A bad bomb tower out there, guys. Very bad. We got one tower. With this deck, you need to know what to ignore and what to not. So he has a miner deck. Even that deck was too good. It was in the meta for some time. Yeah, guys, this was what we were talking about. Just let's royal delivery that to get whole of the royal delivery damage, guys. This was too good. Now I will go in attacking with the king tower because he will try to attack this tower, guys. He has to stop the push over there. He has got 600 damage. That is the reason I'm not going to attack this tower, because he gets more value. His defensive troops act like offense onto this tower. He had to use his Valkyrie over here. This was what I wanted. I'll just log that, guys. We get the log value out there. The wall breakers die. Let's see what can we do next. We're gonna get the ice golem value also. So the balloon's dead damage is too much for that king tower out there. Our magic archer connects. He ignores the magic archer, but I won't ignore the Valkyrie, guys. The Valkyrie is a deadly troop. So that magic archer dies over there. Let's go in with another ice golem miner push. Ice golem balloon push, guys. He used his miner out there, so that came out from my mind. So our magic archer connects yet another time. Our balloon also connects onto the other tower. We get splash damage. This was too good, guys. Let's get the royal delivery value. Let's log that. We have got good damage onto this tower, guys. I hope we might have got the 3 crown, but we won't. So GG, well played. We won against the Minor Bomb Tower deck, guys. Minor Bomb Tower Wall Breaker deck. Even that was too good. It was in the meta for some time. So guys, let's open up even this one more match, because we won the last match. We will try to get to 4900. He is also a king 9, guys. He has a snowball king, snowman skin, and is still king 9. This is somewhat doubtful, guys. He might have high level cards. He also uses the bomb tower and wall breakers and electro dragon, guys. So we have some idea about his deck. It might be the same minor bomb tower deck. Our balloon gets one hit onto his tower. The tower's got massive damage, guys. Some massive damage. We have a lot of elixir to hold on. We'll give him a well played, guys. So let's go with the ice golem in the back. He has the wall breaker, so we cannot afford to lose our log over there, or else I might have logged the tower as I do, because this is a triple spell deck, guys. I will have to use my log to get that ram rider out. The log slows the ram rider again. We get one tower out there because my balloon connects. I'm just gonna give the fireball value out there by killing the minion. Okay, by killing the magic card, so we get the inferno tower value. I hope we get it, because he used a zap out there, guys. I just had to make my ice golem. That ice golem takes a lot of damage, guys. Our royal delivery is just on time, guys. We get few hits on with the mega knight, guys. That was not good. And the bandit also connects. We wasted our log. I thought we might have reached on time, but still that is not a problem. We'll get the fireball. Now I have to go a bit defensive, guys, because I don't have any elixir left. I cannot make a push right now. He has a ram rider, a bandit, a mega knight, so I have to use this. A ram rider is not a that big tank. He also has the wall breakers, guys. This is serial deck. It's a complete attack deck, guys. I won't use my log now because barbarians will tank up everything. I'll use the log here because I don't want my magic archer to get damage on with that magic archer, guys. Okay, he also has mini P.E.K.K.A, guys. This is not good. Still 10 seconds of time left. I'll go in with my magic archer out here. I'll try to take this tower out, but I won't. He got saved up by some pity damage, guys. Still good game, well played, GG. But we get our win, and that was what we wanted, guys. So that's enough for this video. I hope we pushed to somewhat some trophies. 4899, guys. I just needed one trophy for that giant chest. I might have done the unboxing in front of you. Still, guys, see, this is the trek. 3.8 cycle. We have the inferno tower, the biggest defense. We also have barbarians, which are good for defense. We have 3 spells and the ice golem with the magic archer, guys. This is too easy to play, guys. I say you all the strategies. This is too easy to play. This is my shop. I've already bought it. So guys, this was up for this video. I will be back with another Clash Royale or Brawl Stars video in some time. Till that time, stay tuned and be sure to subscribe to my channel and like all my videos, guys. So bye.